So, yeah, that's a bit wobbly, isn't it? I'll have to fix you. So, there we go. That's a bit better, isn't it? So yeah, so today is an exciting day. We're going to go and fly some FPV Freestyle. And we're going to go flying with some of the guys from North East FPV at a Bando Fire Station. So for all those that don't know, Bando is a bit of a slang word for an abandoned building. So yeah, I'm expecting some damage and I'm expecting it to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you when we get there in about 20 minutes. Not necessarily like focused on me. Just digging some. It's quite enjoyable out in the wild.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So yeah, so it was only really a matter of... So yeah, so it was a matter of time really before someone was going to put that quad in there. And the unfortunate soul was Ollie. Ollie, what's your YouTube, mate?
OllieFPV.
OllieFPV, that's it, we're going. So yeah, we're going up there. Have you got it? Nice. Sweet, man. Oh, it's cool up here.
Yeah, it's good. Come on.
Oh, I'm pointing the camera the wrong way. No way. Yeah, we'll point the jump up there.
Nice of you.
It's where they used to do all the practice exercises. Oi, oi!
Where?
One smashed to bits, pro.
Already delaminated the
Oh, and delaminated the Marmotte?
Delaminated the Marmotte. Lifetime warranty!
You need to shout it in here, mate, so it'll echo. Lifetime warranty! No, it's not worth claiming for, is it? It's good to know though.
take it slow.
Well, as I'm sure you'll have seen, that was pretty awesome. Flying bandos adds a whole new dynamic to the usual chucking it around the field in some trees. But lads have broke stuff today. I've been really lucky, but I will definitely be coming back here. We'll see you in the next one.